What is up, guys? This is FNH Tutorial here, and today I am going to be reviewing a brand new product, and this is called the Cube Socket. Okay, so you can see from the title over here, the Cube Socket, right? It's well, it says function upgrade, improve their own. So basically what this is, it is a power strip built-in travel adapter, and it has two USB ports. It has a power socket with a 2-meter extension cable. Okay, and there's a cube design, right? Not like your original typical power strip design. So this is a cube design. Okay, and in this design you can see like it's cube. I'll open it up and show you guys, right? And you can just see in the back it's basically just some product information, right? And this is the packaging it comes in, right? It's not really like, I guess just a plastic bag technically, right? And I got this on Amazon, right? For roughly around $12. That's how much you can get it for. And the thing is, it has worked great for me, right? Nothing wrong with it at all. It's working exactly how I needed it to. Okay, so over here you can see it has a the three-prong outlet you would need for that, right? And basically this is the cube. Okay, so these four sides have the same input design, right? Some are reversed the other way, right? And basically that's just it. So over here you can put American, European, and many different other kinds of outlets straight into that, right? The American one fits perfectly fine. If you have a European one, that'll work fine also, right? Yeah, so I know I have some products that have the European outlet, right? That works perfectly fine, and I have the ones, I have a few different other outlets. Those work perfectly fine and fit properly, right? And over here you can see that it has two USB ports over here as well, right? And here is a power button, so basically just on and off. Okay, so basically that's all with this product, right? Nothing really out of the ordinary, but I really liked it. That's why I wanted to review it. So if you guys have any question or comments, please let me know, and I will see you guys next time.